everyone, this is Deepika Joshi and welcome back to Learn with Deepika. So it's now science quiz questions time. So now let's get started. My first question is, which is the physical place of life called? Protoplasm. There are dash number of muscles in human body. 639. What is the lifespan of WBC? 2 to 15 days. What is the lifespan of RBC? 120 days. The number of ribs in a human body is 24. Which is the smallest flightless bird? Kiwi. So this is the diagram of kiwi. Our seventh question is, zoology is the study of lizards. So this is lizard. Hormones are produced by endocrine glands. Who is known as master gland? Pituitary gland. What is the full form of ADH? Antidiuretic hormones. A for anti, D for diuretic and H for hormones. Thank you and bye-bye.